Hello, this is Steve K here today. And today we're going to get even with Mother Nature once again because the fact of the matter is I am so tired of winter and now it's time to get even. This is game one for tonight that I promised. I know it's randomized, so be surprised for what I'm going to do. Good old Mother Earth, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see. The cause of winter is all because of right here. And what I'm going to do is this. No, I'm not hurting nobody. No. I'm just going to destroy winter because I'm tired of it. So, what we're going to do is this. If I even remember which one it was. Hey, winter, eat this. You're done. That's right. I'm drilling a hole right through winter because I don't care for winter. So why don't you eat that, Antarctica? Just shot a hole right through you. And it's still going. Ah. And if that ain't good enough, you know what? Let's try this. Yeah, that's what I think of winter. Enjoy that. Not good enough? How about this for winter? Yeah, not good enough, huh? Well, let's see. What else is there? Well. They sure updated the heck out of this thing, but there. What? Okay, that was weak. Alright, I had enough of these games. Bottom line is, we gotta get rid of winter, and there's only one way to do that. Well, fire the darn thing, come on. It's not working? Why? Come on. Here. This is what I think of you, winter. Winter, you're gonna get yours. Because I rule. There. I'm a force of nature too. You don't mess with me. You got yours. Bye. Alright, now that I took care of that issue, let's see what else is left. Oh yeah. Hey snowman, how you doing here today? Guess what? I don't like winter, so guess what? You go boom. Just gotta find the right one to get rid of you. That's it. Left a scar. That was nothing. It did very little. Oh, come on. There must be something that I could do. Yeah, that's what I think of winter. pieces and make sure it never comes back. Well, there you have it. Game 1, Video 1. I destroyed Winter. Boom. Game 2 is coming up shortly, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.